What's up, guys? I'm back with another DIY, and today I will be making a Halloween DIY. It's just a simple no glue DIY. I will not be gluing anything down. I will just be placing. So, I like to get into the stuff, so let's get into it. So guys, I went to Dollar Tree and I got most of these items from Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna show you what I got. So I got a carvable pumpkin from Dollar Tree and I already carved it out. And when you carve it, there is nothing on the inside, and the lid has a toothpick. So this is what it looks like on the inside when you cut through it. It has no stuffing, no nothing in it. And I carved it and I put a little tea light candle in it to make it look like a jack-o'-lantern. So this is the first thing you need, is a cute little pumpkin. I am gonna leave this in there, but you're gonna need this because this is gonna be your centerpiece. I got these spiders from Dollar Tree. They're the little glitter ones. They also have, I believe, green or purple and black. So I will be using those. And then I have the spider web from Dollar Tree. And then also I went to Walmart in the front of the store where they have the dollar stuff. And I got these two skulls for 98 cents. So that's all you need to do this DIY. Let's get started. So first, guys, we're gonna take our spider web and we're gonna need some to stretch across. So you might have to cut it because I think this is just a big spider web that goes outside your house or something. So I'm going to cut it because I'm pretty sure I don't need a lot. Ooh. And the spider web does come with like rings, spider rings in it, but I'm not gonna be using those. So let me make sure that one doesn't have it. Okay, it doesn't. So I'm just gonna cut me a piece off and put the rest in there. And now what we're gonna do is take our platform and take our spider web, and we're just going to stretch out our spider web so it can look like an actual spider web. And you just want to stretch it out as much as you can. I probably will cut this again just because I don't need any of this stuff hanging. And it is very stringy. So I am gonna tie it around because you just want to make it the illusion of a spider web. So I'm gonna wrap it around down here. And then you just got the illusion of it. You can make it, you don't have to stretch it out this much. You can kind of put it together a little more. So this is what it looks like. You don't have to stretch it out that much, but I don't feel like I need that much. And then I just wrapped it around. So then I'm going to place my pumpkin. I'm gonna turn my pumpkin on. I got my pumpkin, and then I'm gonna place my skulls. I'm just gonna place them. Just lay them up there, and then I'm gonna take two spiders, and I'm going to place one just into center because it is its home. And I'm gonna have the illusion of one just crawling up. And this is all you need for your non-glue table decor for Halloween. You just need your spider web from the Dollar Tree, your spiders from the Dollar Tree, these 2 skulls from Walmart, a carvable pumpkin to make a jack-o'-lantern out of, and get you an LED light so you can turn it on at night and have a beautiful centerpiece for Halloween. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.